Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Treating athlete's foot with essential oils. Tea tree oil, lemon oil, lavender oil, peppermint oil, lemongrass oil, eucalyptus oil, and geranium oil have antifungal properties that may help treat athlete's foot. Essential oils must be diluted before applying to the skin, typically with a carrier oil or water. Undiluted essential oils can cause skin irritation. Essential oils should be used with caution, as they can cause allergic reactions and interactions with medications. Patch testing is recommended before use. Essential oils should be used with extra care for children and pregnant women. Consulting a healthcare provider is advised. If home remedies do not improve symptoms within 2 weeks, it is recommended to see a healthcare provider for stronger antifungal treatment. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.